In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate captions into Descript. We're going to walk through a clear, reliable way to translate your existing captions so your video can reach viewers in another language, all inside Descript on your PC. Start by opening Descript on your computer and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the specific project you want to work on so everything you need is right in front of you. Before translating, make sure your video already has subtitles in place. Translation is built on those captions, so they need to be present and readable. If your project is ready, click on any caption in your video area or timeline to select it. When a caption is selected, the Properties panel on the right side of the screen will show options related to your text. Locate the Caption section in that panel and click it to expand the caption settings. Within the caption settings, look for the Translate Captions option and click it. This opens a translation window with a setting labeled Translate To. Click the drop-down menu beside that label, then choose the language you want your captions translated into. If multiple regional variants are available for a language, select the one that best matches your audience, as this can refine word choice and tone. After selecting the target language, click Submit. Descript will process the translation, and the time this takes will vary depending on the length of your video and the complexity of your captions. When it finishes, your captions appear in the language you selected, using your existing timing so they stay in sync with the audio. A few quick notes to help you get the best results. Clean, well-punctuated source captions generally produce stronger translations, so it's worth ensuring your subtitles are clear before you translate. Keep proper nouns, product names, and brand terms consistent if they shouldn't be translated. If your audience expects a particular style, such as formal or informal tone in languages that distinguish them, keep an eye on phrasing and adjust wording as needed directly in the captions field. That's the complete process from start to finish. Open Descript on your PC, sign in, open your project, confirm your video has subtitles, select a caption, and open the Properties panel. Choose Captions, click Translate Captions, pick your language from the drop-down, and click Submit. With those steps, your video is now equipped with translated captions, making it more accessible and ready for viewers who prefer or require another language.